Today, we're delving into a subject that affects all of us deeply: money. You're at the correct place whether you want to improve your money management abilities or are just beginning your financial adventure. The 12 rules of money that can lead to financial success and stability will be revealed in this video. Watch the video till the end, as the last rule of money is the most important one, but everyone ignores it, which mustn't be done. So now let's start. 1. Spend less than you make. The most important rule for gaining financial freedom is the implementation of this one idea. If you want to have any chance of reaching and preserving financial freedom, you must always make sure that your spending are less than your income. In this line, I allude to all outlays. Every dollar that leaves your wallet, whether it is for a daily cup of coffee or a mortgage payment, is part of your overall expenditures. Furthermore, the total must be far lower than your incoming paychecks. Because the ratio of your income to expenses will grow, so will your capacity to leave your job. 2. Find a business partner and life partner. Someone you are willing to partner with in business should be your significant other. For the simple reason that you ought to manage your money much like a corporation. You have a significant issue if your partner isn't someone you'd want to do business with. Being able to talk honestly about money, establish shared objectives, push one another, and collaborate are essential components of both financial freedom and a fulfilling relationship, because money issues are the main cause of marriages to fail. 3. Don't be foolish. Guard your most valuable possession. You. If you hurt yourself, it would be difficult for you to work at all, or you might lose the capacity to do so, which would have a drastic impact on your family's quality of life. We can undoubtedly reduce our exposure risk even if we can't always prevent odd accidents that life may throw our way. Therefore, please exercise caution, since the asking price is simply too excessive. If you want to know more money rules, then please do subscribe our channel and also press the like button. 4. Postpone satisfaction and relish the journey. It requires work to learn to put off gratification. But if you get good at it, you may significantly cut your spending and stay out of the bad investment and impulse buying traps. Learning to love the process rather than just the result means accepting the wait. By doing that, you won't ever feel as like you are making any sacrifices. An extra benefit of this talent is that it also relates directly to nutrition and exercise. 5. Reduce debt. The ultimate objective is to owe no one anything, even while debt has a role and can help you move toward financial freedom. Financial freedom in the truest sense. The ability to do as you choose is truly possible when there are no payments dangling over your head. 6. Continually invest. Avoid attempting to be a miracle investor unless you're Warren Buffett. Buying assets consistently throughout time will help you achieve a dollar cost average. Inevitably, doing this will cause you to buy at high and low points, but your pricing will be averaged over time. Even the typical investor will do well if they just purchase gradually and wait for time to do its job. Time is your biggest ally when it comes to investing. Real estate investment trusts, REITs, gold, and other assets may be easily invested in. It's incredibly simple to keep up an investment in these assets. 7. Ensure a diverse stream of income. Putting all of your eggs in one basket is a bad idea, as your grandmother would have advised you. A single source of income should never be your only one. Create as many different sources of revenue as you can and diversify them. This protects your income streams from one another, so you won't probably need to use your emergency fund if one is severely impacted. 8. Always keep a reserve fund available. You never know what you're going to get in life because, as Forrest Gump so eloquently put it, life is like a box of chocolates. The 2019 pandemic is an example of a bad chocolate that occasionally occurs. Don't let your pants drop, then. To avoid trying to sell off assets at the last minute, have emergency funds on hand. Typically during a crisis or period of extreme stress. or, as it was with the most recent epidemic, when the stock market was in freefall. 9. Never pay more taxes than you have to in any one year. Taxes are typically the largest expenditure in life. The best way to streamline your tax efficiency is to use it to the fullest extent possible by being aware of the tax regulations that apply to you. If you can't know everything yourself, it's okay, just hire an accountant to. Someone who will put in a lot of effort to locate every valid claim and potential savings. Not the type of person who enters their tax information into an internet tax filing tool and clicks submit. A competent accountant is worth their weight in gold and will be well worth the money you spend on them. 10. Save, save, save. You should be saving whatever money you aren't spending or paying in taxes. That's all there is to it. Save as much as you can, as soon as you can. The more time you give your nest egg to develop, the sooner you may start to build it. 11. Beware of quick money schemes. Don't attempt to get wealthy overnight, whether it be by following a tip on the next big stock or making an investment in real estate that seems too good to be true. It will almost certainly result in you losing your money and setting you back a few steps in your quest for financial independence. Act like a turtle rather than a hare. 12. Spend money on your education. People don't use money for pursuing education these days. They think that their money will get wasted if they use it to buy education. Well, education can be both free and paid. Your work is to grab it from wherever you can. If you are successful in doing so, then you will find more opportunities to earn money and get rich. Every millionaire has a common habit, that is, they learn new things. You must keep on learning. You can watch our videos to learn financial topics. You can read the books like The Rich Dad, Poor Dad, Psychology of Money, and many more. These books will make you knowledgeable about money. That's all for this video. Now you know all the 12 ultimate rules of money that will make you rich in 2023. Do follow these rules strictly to get rich. If you learned something new, then please press the subscribe button and also hit the like button. Share this video with all of your friends, family, and colleagues. If you are left with any query, then feel free to comment it below. Thank you for watching.